Hello guys, good morning. So today is Friday and it's fun day again with my toddler. And so as you know, time is very precious. So ngayon, I'm just wearing my morning clothes. I've just given my baby breakfast as well. And he had kiwi and banana and Greek yogurt. So for today, our skin foods recipe is none other than kiwi, banana, and yogurt as well. So there you go. So this is just a leftover, and I'm gonna put a mask. I'm gonna use it as a face mask for this morning, just for maybe 20-30 minutes, because I'm going outside to send some parcel. So as you can see, there's not much, but it's still very useful. I've already eaten some, so I'm gonna just apply it onto my face. I've actually just washed my face with water, and that's why I'm applying it now. It's a bit runny because it's very fresh, and I didn't put it in the fridge after my baby's finished eating, so that's why it's still watery. But yeah, it's still watery, as you can see. Watery.
Mommy!
Yes, darling?
You're putting that on your foot.
Only mommy, because this is actually Riku's food left over. And it's good for the skin. It's good for mommy's skin because it's got lots of vitamin C, especially kiwi and banana. And then, of course, yogurt has got protein and other good stuff in it. Right, so as you can see, can you see? I'm actually playing pink. Alexa, play pink.
Here's some music by
I know. Actually,
Music.
not pink. Alexa, play Blackpink.
Here's some music by Blackpink on Amazon Music.
I was dancing with my daughter.
Blackpink in your area?
So this will be my morning routine. There's still a piece of banana there.